Guys, guys, isn't it amazing that one could sit down in the comfort of his or her home and order all kinds of products from China by yourself without any agents? Okay, guys, here is an industrial machine that I, Oches TV, ordered from China for a customer. So sometime this year, early this year, I posted video about industrial machines, that you can actually buy from China, you know. So someone saw it and decided to, like, okay, get one. So yeah, she told me the description, the specification of what she wanted. So all I needed to do was to go to the normal app where we shop from, Pinduoduo, precisely. So I went to Pinduoduo and I did my sourcing. I sent videos, I sent pictures of different kinds of industrial machines that suited the specification she gave me, and she chose this one. So this package took 2 months, and I think 2 months and 1 week to arrive Nigeria via sea shipping. So guys, I can't wait for us because I have not seen the physical stuff here. Look at it, it is fully packaged. This is how it came from China. So I want us to get right into this. Let us see what is in here. Okay? Okay, so let's tear it open. Tear it open. Wow. Wow, guys. Oh my. I need to bring the phone closer so that you can have a look of what I am seeing here. Guys, can you see the machine? Wow, wow, wow. Isn't this awesome? Okay. Let me see if it's something I can bring outside my because it is heavy. Let me see if it's something I can carry out. Oh god. Man, this is heavy. Where? This is the where they will be putting the stuffs. This is what it looks like. Okay. Then the motto. This is the motto, but it's so I can't bring it out, guys. It's too heavy. I hope I'm not going to tear it like this. If I tear the carton, it's going to be. I need an assistant for me to be able to bring it out. Ew. Guys, come on. This is the machine that I ordered from China. Oh my god, this is awesome. This is amazing, guys. Oh man, it was quite tough bringing it out. Have a look, have a closer look at this. Can you see it, guys? So this is for people who are into poultry, shredding of different things for poultry, so you can see it. Can you see this? For chicken, for anything. You can shred grass, you can shred corn, you can shred all many products like that. Let me see. Let's see if we can. How? My hand. Yeah, thank you. How does this work? Okay. Okay, guys. So this is to let you know that there is nothing you cannot buy from China by yourself. By the way, these glasses, I got them from China. They just arrived. I'm going to show you the unboxing of them pretty soon. Look at the package, the way it came packaged. Have you seen a glasses package like this? So guys, if you want to learn how to import from China, oh yeah, send me a DM right away. Let me teach you. And if you need any type of machine from China, send me a DM. I'll help you to order it from China. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time of seeing me, you're welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Like this video and please share this video. Please help me and share this video. Let people know that they can actually learn China importation and buy this kind of thing from China by themselves without an agent. So I ordered it myself. Okay? Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye. So guys, it came with 2 blades. So these are the blades. Can you see it? 2 blades.